How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Or else you can simply try refreshing the app or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Or you can also restart your router if you are using the Wi-Fi network. Now, once done so, go back to the home screen. Here, look for the App Store option available and simply tap on it. Once inside the App Store, all you have to do is search for the WhatsApp and hit enter. Then tap on the WhatsApp Messenger. And if there is an update available, tap update and update it to the latest version. Then go back to the home screen and tap on the settings app available there. Once inside the settings app, tap on the general option available in there. Then tap on the iPhone storage. Then from the list of all the app inside iPhone storage, look for the WhatsApp and simply tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on the offload app option available there and reinstall the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.